Krishna is beautiful, but his beauty, his sweetness is connected with the Brajavadhus, Brajgopis, Srimati Radharani. Radha Sange Jada Bhati Tada Madana Mohana Anyatha Vishwa Mohapi Swayam Madana Mohita. When Sri Krishna with Srimati Radharani, that time, only that time he is Madana Mohan. Only that time he is such attractive that he can build up the mind of Cupid. But if there is no Radharani, then maybe Anyatha Vishwa Mohapi, if there is no Radharani beside Krishna, then maybe he can build up the mind of everyone. He can attract the mind of everyone, but not to Cupid, Kamadeva, Madana, Swam, Madana Mohita. That time he will be bewildered, hypnotized by Madana, Kamadeva. Not only Srimati Radharani Prabhu, the beauty of Krishna, it's connected with all the Brajavadhu. Tatrati Shushube Tavir Bhagavan Devaki Shuta Madhe Muninang Haimanang Mahamarakato Jatha. Jewel. If one jewel, which is very valuable jewel, if it is alone, if it is not used by other jewels, then there is no beauty of that jewel. It is, that time, it is only stone. But when we'll use that jewel, valuable jewel, in one necklace with other stones, then that beauty of the jewels will open, will manifest. Otherwise not. Chad chad sham chader bame chad bodoni daralo. Chad chad sham chader bame chad bodoni daralo. Shyam shire mohan chura rai shire beni chura kore jholo molo beni dhore phoni. Chad chad shyam chader bame chad bodoni daralo. দেখ দেখ চাঁদকে ঘিরে চাঁদের মালা, শ্যামরাইকে ঘিরে ব্রজবালা, চাঁদকে ঘিরে চাঁদের মালা. Very nicely he described there that there is not only one moon, everyone is very beautiful like moon. Krishna is moon, Syama is moon, Rai Kishari is moon, Chader Mala, one very big garland of moon surrounded one moon, two moon are there at the middle point, and that is Krishna Chandra and Rai Chandra. Here all the Brajavadhus also moon. Krishna Chandra and Rai Chandra, Srimati Chandra, surrounded by one big moon garland, and that moon garland by Brajbalas, Brajavadhus, Sakhis. So Ramananda Rai is saying, Jaddapi Krishna Sundarja Madhurya Dhurja. Hey Prabhu, the beauty of Krishna is the zenith of all beauty. Madhurang Madhuranam. It's beautiful than anything. Topmost point of the beauty. That is Krishna's beauty. But it will be more when Krishna will be with Srimati Radharani and all the other Brajavadhus, all the Sakhis. Jaddapi Krishna Sundarja Madhurya Dhurja. Kopi Sange Tahar Baroe Madhurya. Dhurja Dhurja. Shobha Gadhe Parang Padam. Bhushanang Bhushanangam. It is said about Krishna's beauty. Bhishmapanang Shashvacha Shobha Gadhe Parang Padam Bhushana Bhushanangam. The most beautiful. But when he will be with Brajavadhus and Srimati Radharani, then that beauty of Krishna will be, and everyone can feel and see. Otherwise, like that, a big diamond alone, no beauty of that big diamond or big ruby, big coral, big emerald. If it is not used in garland, necklace, any, so no beauty are there. Krishna is beautiful, but one can see that beauty when Krishna will be with Srimati Radharani and all the other Sakhis.